Points and donuts in AutoCAD is very useful. You can use these two things separately. You just choose whatever you prefer to use it as a datum or as a reference point. We're gonna go through that today. First, make sure that you choose a different layer. I'll choose this one because it's white and it will stand out. In my utilities, when I click on it, on this small triangle, I have this point style. You see, I have so many shapes, so many types. Literally, there's this box and a small dot. It might not even be very obvious, and the other one is without any dot, and you have a plus sign or a cross. I'll go ahead and choose this one because it will stand out. The other thing that you have to pay attention to is the point size. You can set size relative to screen, so it will always take a 5% of your screen, no matter how much you zoom in or zoom out. Or you can set size in absolute units. Let's go ahead and as an example, it's 5 units, 5 centimeters, 5 millimeters. No matter how you zoom in or zoom out, it will stand that way. But personally, I always put it on relative to screen by 5%. It will be obvious enough to notice and not too annoying. So you can go ahead and choose any other one, but for me, I chose this one. It stands out. So I'll press OK. So I activated the command of point, and I also chose a style. So now it asks me to specify a point. Let's go ahead and choose this one. There it is. I have this point. The style that I chose, the percent that I chose, it will always stand out as 5%. I want to put another point, so when I right click, repeat point, I'll put it right there. So yeah, that's it. I'll just go ahead and undo just to erase them. That's everything with the point. Now the donut, I'll hit escape a couple times just to cancel any command. Now I'll go ahead and literally type donut, the American way, not the British way. It goes donut, so be careful with that. It literally goes, it looks like a shaped donut. It's 2 circles, and in between it's highlighted. So enter. It specify inside diameter. 0.5 is really small, so I'll go ahead and choose 300. The outside diameter, I'll choose 600. There it is. I have my donut, but it asked me to specify a point, so let's go ahead and choose this point. There it is. It literally looks like a donut. It looks funny, but it's very useful. This can be very useful. I can put this anywhere and put a mark on it, a note, or to mark other things. So that's everything with points and donuts.